So these are the materials. These succulents are from Dollar Tree. We're just going to be taking the stem off. These are also from Dollar Tree. We're going to be pulling these off. And these are materials I had at home. The burlap ribbon is from Dollar Tree. I haven't decided if I'm going to use that on the background or if I'm going to paint it white yet. So stay tuned on that one. Do is remove these and then sand off the glue. Glue came right off on all of them, so I won't have to sand it. I am going to sand the edges of this, of mainly the green one. Maybe even paint it white before I paint it brown. This one I may not have to. And then this is what it looks like once they're off. These were like what was making it 3D. I might actually keep the little hearts for something. They're really cute. This one's like a square, so I may recraft those. So I've just done a second coat of the brown, and I didn't end up sanding it, so we just did the second coat of the brown, 2 coats. And now I'm going to dry brush it with some white, sort of give it sort of a little wood look or a vintage look. A little white, dab it in, and then brush it off a good amount. And then you're just going to lightly brush, probably even more so. And then we're going to probably sand it just a bit. And then I painted this, all of them actually. And then I'm just going to pull the stem off of the succulents. And there's still that little nub. I'm just going to cut that down. And then let's see if I like the white or the burlap the most. So it just took about 2 pieces and then a half of another piece. And I just glued down the edges of each piece. And then I'm just going to hot glue down the succulent on top. Placed it there just to see what it looks like. And I don't know, I kind of do like the burlap. Kind of gives it a rustic look. Give it, let's try with the purple. So I haven't glued them down or anything. I was just checking. This is where I cut off the little stubs. I do like the white. Sienna, stop, girl. No, that's hot. But I think I may cut the burlap to size for one of them and just place it there and not glue it and see what it looks like. So I did end up using the burlap behind each succulent. I did like the white, but I believe the burlap just gave it more texture. And you could totally position these on the wall any way you would want. The diamond shape, the square shape. You could do them vertical or horizontal. I ended up doing them vertically. I'll show you in just a minute, but I do like the diamond shape of them as well. And here's where I just used them vertically above my sink. My den in there is an add-on, so there's just a window above our sink that doesn't look outside, but I think they turned out cute for only about $7 I believe I spent. And I believe the original was like $14. Thanks, guys.